Dog lovers, we have a new beach dog park. Well, new in pertaining that we've always had one, but this past winter, they ripped this entire thing down and rebuilt it so that your pups have somewhere fun to play here at the dog beach in Wildwood. And I figured I would give you a quick little tour because a lot of people come here with their dogs and they're always asking, like, what can we do? This right here is an actual dog beach. Like, it's more than just this little park here. You can walk your dog as long as it's on a leash all the way into the water. So before I give you a tour, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons at patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Hey, did you know that you could sponsor our videos? In the first 15 to 20 seconds after our bouncer, your business could be here. If you want more information, shoot us an email at joey@wildwoodvideoarchive.com. And hey, you're not only advertising your business, but you're also helping local journalism. The best point of view I can get for you is, of course, up on the boardwalk. And before we actually go in, I always like to give this little tip, or just like a little bit of some information. This right here, this giant hydrant, I love this thing. But this used to be a part of something else. If you look inside, you'll actually first notice that there's a gate and there's steps. You're probably saying, wait a minute, what on earth are these steps for? Well, at one point, little Joey was climbing these steps because this was once a part of a slide on Adventure Pier. At that point, it was Wild Wheels. Jack Morey had an inspirational idea of, you know what? If we're building a dog park, let's go ahead and add something fun. So that's where the fire hydrant came in. So they cut parts of the steps all the way up to that slide, which was a snake slide, and painted it red. And here it is today. It's cool to have some Morey's Pier's history, ride history on the beach. I know many, many moons ago, Morey's Piers was going to take some of the track for when they retracked the Great Nor'easter and use that track to do another one here. I believe it was supposed to be a dog made out of roller coaster track. I'm not sure if that is still the plan. I think I got blueprints of that somewhere online. As a reminder, there are two different sections. Large dogs on the left, small dogs on the right. I am small, so we'll go through the small side first. You can see the new fencing they put up with new lights, solar panel lights. You've got your doggy bags here, and you head on in. They rescued a lot of the existing things that were inside. Really rebuilt up these dunes. Here's the American flag, which was technically an old post for the lights on the boardwalk, if you actually see below, which is kind of interesting. Filling you guys with some facts here. Got ourselves a nice big tire, a big Goodyear tire too. Woo! And a little tunnel. It's a great size. In the middle is a little gazebo that you can hang out in. Both sides. They fix up the bottom a little bit because a lot of dogs are trying to get underneath of it. They haven't rehooked up the water yet, just because I believe it's still too cold out. We're freezing at night. Let me see if I can get in here real quick. Wow. Some people actually have been bringing their own water. We're going to enter the other side. This is for the larger dogs. Some really big sand mounds. I have a German Shepherd, so for them, they love this stuff. And another tunnel, which is only for dogs. Because, you know, us adults aren't supposed to climb in these things and have a good time. I joke, I have a good time in these things, and these people are looking at me. Actually, it's a lot of fun to do that. Let's go to the other side. And show you this way. Got more tires, I feel like they bumped this out even more than last time. I love the city for doing this. And I want to shout out Tom. I believe Tom is the mastermind behind this. Correct me if I'm wrong. He always does a great job with this stuff. I absolutely love it. It's great. Families come down here and they bring their kids. And I have to remind people that it's more than human kids. People have pet kids. I treat my cats like they're kids. People treat their dogs like they're kids. They're our kids. We want them to have a good time on vacation too. I know our German Shepherd Lola loves coming to this beach. Has such a great time. So, but this thing is extensive now. Whew. It's a great size. And they just finished this up just a few days ago too. So there hadn't been too many people in here just yet. There's another guy and his dog going that way. You can see all the leftover stuff that they're actually getting taken out. Of course, it's always hard to see how things look like from a human's point of view, which is why we have the seagull. And so we'll put the seagull in the sky to bring you a bird's point of view. Here we go. So there you guys go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Congratulations to the city. I love that they do this project. I don't really know many beach towns that have something this extensive, which once again makes Wildwoods, the Wildwoods, one of the best places to come to, because there's something literally here for everyone. Kids ages 0 to 99. I don't know what you do past 99. If you're 99, tell me what you do. And of course, now our other children, our pets. Well, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'm Joey, and I'll see you on the beach, which I'm on right now. It is so beautiful out. I don't even have a jacket on. See you guys later. Bye.